Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today we are going to see some nice function wear sarees. The Varsha Purple is coming, Tamil New Year we are going to have. So Yugadi is going to come. So we are going to show you some festive collections or some function wear or party wear, however you call it. Those kind of sarees. It's going to be a mixed variety of sarees. We are going to see Banarasi weave sarees. We are going to see some lovely tissue embroidered sarees, some linen sarees, mixed varieties. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is a beautiful semi-raw silk material saree. Very pretty design, lovely. Both the sides we have a beautiful thread border. Have a closer look of the thread border. Very pretty border. And throughout the body we have a beautiful floral pattern of manga pet border, thread weave completely running along the body, beautiful design. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, a simple blouse, and the price of the sari is 2100. It's a beautiful double shade green, apple green and a yellow mixed color semi-raw silk sari. Very pretty design. A lovely thread border on the bottom on both the sides of the sari, and throughout the body we have a beautiful manga pet design. This is the body of the sari, a pretty design, a lovely pattern, beautiful design. This is the body of the sari, and the pallu of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 2100. This is again a beautiful color combination, a lovely yellow with yellow color raw silk, semi-raw silk material, beautiful thread border designs, very pretty and a classy design. This is the body of the sari, a lovely print, beautiful design, a lovely pattern. This is the body of the sari, looks so classy, and the pallu of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 2100. This is a beautiful Rani pink color semi-raw silk material, beautiful pattern. This is the body of the sari, a beautiful thread border on both the sides of the sari, and the body we have a nice embroidery design running along the body of the sari. This is the body of the sari, pretty design, and the pallu of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 2100. It's again a nice khadi silk material, very flowy soft material. We have beautiful thread border on both the sides of the sari, a small thread weaving border, and throughout the body we have a lovely embroidery running along the body in half white color. Looks really very pretty and classy piece. This is a beautiful function wear. When it comes to the bottom part, you have the embroidery in the bottom part alone in the body. Over these areas it will be completely embroidery. When it comes to the bottom part, the inner parts, the bottom part you have the embroidery, on the top it's a plain one, a lovely design, pretty one. And this is the pallu of the sari. It's a very class piece, looks so awesome when you wear for any parties. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1460. A beautiful soft tissue sari, a very nice flowy material, a very soft material. On the bottom part we have a beautiful embroidery running along the bottom part of the sari, and both the sides we have silver zari, lovely silver zari, and throughout the body we have a beautiful embroidery running along the body, a pretty one. And this is the pallu of the sari, a nice pallu, simple pallu, and the blouse of the sari is this, a running blouse, and the price of the sari is 1820. We have some lovely colors in the same pattern, beautiful soft tissue sari. It's again a linen mix, but very soft and beautiful material. You can see the material, how beautiful it is. This is the body of the sari, a pretty design. On the bottom part we have a beautiful embroidery, and above that we have a silver zari. These silver zaris make the sari look really rich. So this is the body of the sari, a pretty one, and this is the pallu of the sari, a lovely pallu, and the body of the sari is this, and the blouse is a running blouse, and the price of the sari is 1820. The next is a beautiful ilachi green, lovely shade, very pastel, beautiful shade. See, this is the body of the sari. We have a beautiful border on the bottom part of the sari, a lovely embroidery, and throughout the body we have embroidery running along, and both the sides we have silver zari. So this is the body of the sari, a pretty one, a lovely pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse is again a running blouse, and this is the body, and the price of the sari is 1820. We have some other color combination, the same pattern. The next is going to be a lovely grey, beautiful light grey, silver color. This is the body of the sari, again a very pretty border, lovely design. And the body of the sari you have lovely embroidery, small booty embroidery. So this is the body of the sari, a lovely design, beautiful pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this, a very pretty one, and the price of the sari is 1820. And the last shade in the same one, a light beige color, a creamish beige, that kind of a shade, beautiful pattern. This is the body of the sari. In the body you have in the border you have a beautiful embroidery on the bottom part of the border, and throughout the body we have small buttas embroidery. And this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty pallu, and the body of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1820. This is a lovely Banarasi Kora sari, a very soft and a flowy material, beautiful design. Both the sides we have a green color thread, contrast thread border. You have a closer look of the border, it's really pretty. And the body you have a beautiful self weaving done along the body of the sari, a beautiful self weaving done along the body of the sari. And the pallu of the sari is this, a rich pallu, and we have a nice contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. Yeah, this is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1400. In the same pattern we have a beautiful another color in this. This is again a beautiful blue with a peacock blue combination. The base of the body is dark blue, and the embroidery is being done in a very pretty peacock blue. The border is in contrast beige color, all thread weave. So really you have a class look, and it looks like more of a Kanjivaram silk sari type. Very pretty one. And this is the body of the sari, a pretty design, lovely pattern. Looks very pretty when you wear it like this. And the pallu of the sari is again a thread weave, a beautiful thread weaving pallu. And the blouse is again this, a very pretty one. And the price of the sari is 1400. We have one more combination in this. The first was a pinkish red, and this one is a red with a green combination, a very pretty design, same pattern, all thread weave, looks really nice. Very class pieces these are. This is the body of the sari, a pretty design, looks really nice when you wear. This is the body of the sari, and the pallu of the sari is this, a thread weave pallu, and a contrast blouse for this sari. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1400. This is again a beautiful linen sari, a very pretty combination, a light baby pink with a very subtle green. In that we have a beautiful border, thread embroidery in black, very pretty. Both the sides we have the same type of border, and throughout the body it's a very powder blue plain sari, but slightly a big border, so it looks really classy. And this is the pallu of the sari, and you have a nice blouse for this sari. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 2100. This is pure linen sari, so really a nice design, very classy one. We have one more color combination in the same pattern. I'll show you that. That's again a beautiful light pink with a beige combination. This is how the body is going to be, a pretty one. This is more of a peach color, in that a beige color border. Looks really classy when you wear, very beautiful one, looks really class. It will be very nice when you wear for the evening party wears and all. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, a very nice striped blouse, and the price of the sari is 2100. This is again a tissue linen sari, very pretty one, a nice soft material. It pleats really well, very pretty material. Both the sides we have silver zari, and throughout the body we have a floral print, and inside that we have mirror works running along the body. Very very pretty one. And this is the pallu of the sari with simple pallu, and we have mirror work in the pallu too. And this is the blouse of the sari, a plain blouse, and the price of the sari is 1200. This is a lovely peach color in the same pattern, a beautiful tissue linen sari. In that we have lovely mirror works and floral print in the body, and on both the sides we have nice silver zari. I'll open and show you the body of the sari. This is the body of the sari, a beautiful print, lovely design, lovely pattern. And this is the pallu of the sari. And these saris you can do a normal hand wash, don't do a machine wash. A pretty sari, lovely pattern, very nice one. And the blouse of the sari is a running plain blouse, and the price of the sari is 1200. We have other color combination in the same pattern. The next is going to be a light lime yellow, very very light shade, pretty design, lovely designs these are, and a beautiful print. You have a beautiful floral print, and inside that small mirror works, and both the sides silver zari. Look classy, really really very pretty ones which you can wear for a functions, simple functions. This is the body of the sari, a lovely design, and this is the pallu, the simple line pallu with mirror works. And this is the body, and the price of the sari is 1200. The next color in the same pattern is light baby pink, a very very pretty color. This is the body of the sari, a very very pretty design and a pretty color and a beautiful pattern. Both the sides silver zari again, lovely design. This is the body of the sari, a pretty one. And this is the pallu of the sari, a lovely pattern, beautiful design, and the price of the sari is 1200. We have one more color combination in the same pattern. That's again a beautiful light sea green color, light green, more of a light Rexona green, pista green, that kind of a shade, floral print, and inside that beautiful mirror work, and both the sides silver zari, lovely pattern, same design. This is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse is a running plain blouse, and the price of the sari is 1200. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the collections. Very very pretty designs and pretty color combinations. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. It's again 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.